Listen, nobody wants to be known as a guy with bad breath or bad body odor. So today, I'm showing you the hygiene essentials that every guy needs for back to school. What's up YouTube, it's Only One Kazaya and I'm back with another YouTube video, and school is right around the corner. So today I'm going to be giving y'all some of the hygiene essentials that y'all need for back to school, because it's no way that I'm gonna let y'all go to school smelling bad, having a bad haircut. I'm gonna give y'all the essentials that y'all need to make sure y'all smelling good on the first day of school and throughout the whole year. So make sure y'all got y'all notebook, taking y'all some notes, because some of y'all gonna need it. We ain't playing no games this year. We ain't playing no games. Y'all gotta smell good, smell fresh. I know y'all wanna go to the gym, play some basketball, and go straight to math class smelling like y'all ain't just got done playing basketball. So I'm gonna show y'all what y'all need to do to smell good for the rest of the year. Let's get started. First things first, you have to take a shower. Whether you do it at night, whether you do it in the morning, which is preferred because you sometimes you sweat when you sleep. So take a shower before you go to school. Make sure you smelling fresh. You would think this would be the obvious first step, but you would be surprised how many people do not take a shower before they go to school. So I want this to not be you. So I do have some body wash that I do recommend. Right here I have the Method Man Juniper and Sage. And if you have watched any of my previous videos, you know that Method Man is what I recommend the most out of all of the soaps that I use. And then I also have the Dove Restore Coconut and Cocoa Butter. This is also good, makes you smell amazing throughout the whole day. Method Man, Dove Restore, make sure you're taking a shower. Make sure you're getting under your armpits. Make sure you're getting everywhere on your body, everywhere, to make sure you smell good throughout the day. So before you wake up, before you go to sleep, any way you want to do it, make sure you're taking a shower before you go to school. So now that your body is smelling fresh, the next thing that you need to do is brush your teeth. You need a toothbrush and some toothpaste to make sure your breath is smelling good throughout the day. So you can't be going to school with bad breath, gracing people with hotness in their face. So make sure that you're brushing your teeth 2 times a day. Once in the morning and once at night. Right here I have I actually just got this. This is the TheraBreath Whitening Dentist Formulated Toothpaste. So if you want your teeth to be white, just like mine, make sure you get the TheraBreath Whitening Toothpaste or the Dental Advanced Whitening Advanced Arm & Hammer. The Arm & Hammer Advanced Whitening is the other toothpaste that I also do recommend for anybody that wants to make sure their breath is smelling good. So to make sure your breath is smelling fresh when you're talking to girls, answering questions from the teacher, make sure you got a good toothbrush and some good toothpaste. Brush your teeth 2 times a day. All right, so the next thing that you need to do after you get out the shower and actually take it to school with you, just in case you need some more, is deodorant. Make sure you're putting deodorant under your arms. You just don't take a shower and that's all. You need to put some deodorant on under your arms to make sure you got some protection while you're walking throughout the day. All that walking with your book bag on, boom, boom, going to the gym, some sweat is going to occur. So make sure you have some deodorant on standby in your book bag. Whenever you need it, you can just put it on. If you do not put it on and you at school all day and you feel yourself stinking, yeah. People, if you smell yourself, somebody else is gonna smell yourself too. So to keep away from that, make sure you got some deodorant on standby in your book bag. Make sure you put it on before you go to school. Yes, deodorant is necessary. And the next thing that you need to do after you also get out the shower is to put on lotion. Make sure you moisturize your body. Make sure you are smooth and smelling great. So one lotion that I do have and do recommend is the Tone Fresh Hydrating Body Lotion, which is also very good. And then I have this little EOS 24-hour moisture hydration 24-hour. This is a good small lotion that you can just throw in your book bag and just have it in there throughout the day. Your hands might get ashy. That little crease right there, make sure you put lotion in. You don't want your elbows ashy, so make sure you got some good lotion and a good little mini lotion to put in your book bag so you can smell good, smell refreshed, and not be ashy throughout the day. This next one is optional, but I do highly recommend it because it can take your smell to a whole nother level, and that is cologne. After you put on your lotion, after your body is moisturized and smelling good with the cocoa butter and all of that good stuff, you want to make sure you have a good cologne, a good brand cologne. So what you want to do is take your cologne, Don't spray a lot. Don't go boom, 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 50 sprays. No, you do not want nobody smelling you. They in the lunchroom and they can smell you coming down the hallway from doggone the library. So what you want to do is you want to spray the cologne on your pulse points. So you got boom right here, neck. Neck area is good. Then you might want to go in underarm. If you want to be, you know what I'm saying? You might go back under the leg. Somebody might be sitting at the desk. Yo, you might walk and want to sharpen your pencil if they still got them. Yo, girl that you got a crush on might be right here. You might want to walk past, boom, boom. She smelled the cologne from the back of your leg. Back of your underarm right here. Might want to give her a hug. Boom, boom, smell is right there. So what you do, neck, arm, wrist. And that's how you smell good with a cologne. Don't spray too much, spray just enough to let it be known that you're there. But don't spray too much because people are gonna run away from you. Before you start school, even throughout the school year, make sure you're getting regular haircuts throughout the whole school year. Make sure your haircut is clean, fresh, and nice, and not getting too wild. Throughout the day, if you like me, you need to keep a brush with you. If you got some good, nice waves, you're saying them joints popping, smooth. You gotta make sure you got your brush with you. Make sure you keep your brush in your bag. If you got a sponge, if they still using them, make sure your hair is nice. Get some good curler, doggone cream, pomade, whatever you use for your hair. Make sure you keeping care of your hair throughout the whole year so your hair is not looking bad. Get you a good lineup. Make sure your barber is smooth. Make sure he ain't messing you up, pushing your line back. Do not get no bad barber. Make sure you get a good barber so he can take care of your hair. So all of that stuff is good. If you got braids, make sure your braids is nice and good. Don't get no big front taper. I mean, if you want that, go ahead, do your thing. But make sure your hair is nice, clean cut. Keep your brush in your bag so your waves can be set straight throughout the year. All right, so the next item that you need in your bag is chapstick, lip balm, whatever you want to call it. This is needed. This is actually like my personal top thing that I need. For me, if my lips are feeling chapped throughout the day, I'm gonna feel bad. And I actually got a story to tell y'all. When I was in elementary school, my lips were chapped really bad. I had no chapstick on me. So what I did was, I went to the little area where they had the hand sanitizer, and I took the hand sanitizer and put it on my lips because I thought it was gonna give me some type of moisture or anything like that. And it actually made it worse. So don't be like me. Do not put hand sanitizer on your mouth or anything like that because that's not gonna help at all. Don't lick your lips because it's gonna put a ring. Make sure you got chapstick. Before you leave, put chapstick in your pocket, put it in your book bag. Do not leave the house without chapstick. This is probably one of my favorite ones that I have. The Aquaphor Lip Repair, I would recommend this for anything. Then we got the Tone chapstick by AMP. And then we have this new one that I just started using, which is the Vaseline Creme Brulee little small Vaseline joint. And this is absolutely amazing. I've been using this a lot. Chapstick is absolutely needed. You want your lips to be soft, moisturized. When you're talking to people, make sure that compensate with you brushing your teeth and smelling good. You want good lips, you want good teeth, good breath, good, yeah. So make sure you got some good lipstick. Heck no. Make sure you got some good lip balm and chapstick to make sure your lips are moisturized throughout the day. So throughout the year, you will be dapping people up, going to the bathroom, touching door handles in the school, all types of stuff like that. And if you do not know, schools have a lot of germs. So what you need is hand sanitizer. Make sure you have some good hand sanitizer on deck. Keep it in your book bag, keep it in your pocket. Make sure you have hand sanitizer with you because, you know, some guys are not going to be as clean as you. You feel me? Some guys might go to the bathroom and not wash their hands. And you won't know that. You might go up to your friend, dap them up, and you don't know that they just went to the bathroom and, you feel me, didn't wash their hands. So make sure you keep some good hand sanitizer on you in your book bag, in your pockets. So whenever you gotta, you know, put some chapstick on, put it on your mouth will be clean because you were using hand sanitizer. So make sure you got some good hand sanitizer, keep it in your book bag so you do not get any germs from anybody in the school. The next item that you need goes back to something that I said earlier, which was a toothbrush and toothpaste. So the next thing is gum. You need gum to make sure you keep your breath fresh throughout the whole day. You might eat some lunch and it might have your breath kicking, so you might want to take some and just refresh your breath. But fair warning, if you bring some gum, make sure you do not open it around people, because people are gonna ask for some gum. I mean, you might wanna be generous, but if you give one, you're gonna have to give it to 10 other people. So make sure you lenient with how much gum you taking, and then making sure people ain't seeing you, because everybody's gonna ask you for a piece of gum. So make sure you have some gum in your bag to make sure your breath is fresh. Make sure you're smelling good. Make sure you gracing people with some minty, fresh breath. Boom. Gum is needed in the bag. Put the gum in the bag. Put the gum in the bag, man. All right, so this last one may not seem like a hygiene essential, but it is definitely needed throughout your whole day, and that is water and a water bottle. Water is actually probably the best thing that you can have throughout the day. It keeps your mouth from being dry, keeps you refreshed, and if you drink a lot of water, it can make your skin be nice and clear, keep your body healthy, and just makes you feel refreshed throughout the day. You know, you shouldn't drink too much soda, too much, sugary drinks, anything that's bad for you, juices, all of that. Sometimes you just need some good water just to keep your body refreshed, like cleanse it out and all of that. So before you leave the house to go to school, make sure you have your water bottle with you so you can stay refreshed throughout the whole day. And those are all of the hygiene essentials that you all need for back to school. I hope y'all took y'all notes and got the gist of everything that y'all need. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if y'all need a video that's more specific of what to buy from like Walmart or Target, click on this video right here. I'll show you the top hygiene essentials that all men need from Walmart. I'll see y'all soon. Peace.